So we finally got up on a balcony and I can't post any more videos. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akshay and today we are going to check out Mardi Gras at New Orleans. And something very crazy happened actually. I really wanted to go, but none of my friends actually wanted to go with me. I just posted on a group on Facebook that I want to go, does someone else want to join me? And 2 people replied and I am just tagging along with them, and we have actually become great friends when we left from Austin. So right now we are in Jennings in Louisiana, about 5 hours away from Austin, and we are going to spend the night in this motel and then again cover the remaining 4 hours tomorrow. So let's go. Thank you. So guys, these things which are passing us are called as crews. Krews, crews. Let's go! I've been here from almost 2 hours now and it has been super fun.
Amazing vibe, amazing.
Yes, now we are thinking of taking a break.
I'm closing this one. Only this much customers I'm taking.
You are closed with that.
Yeah, after this I'm finished.
So can we or
No.
So the restaurant, both of them just closed just as we entered, and it's not even that late. Maybe some weird rule they have. So we are going to check something else out to eat. Subway लेके कैसे खाएंगे पर वहाँ पे? It will be very uncomfortable. बैठ के खाने का मजा अलग है. So I see many seafood, Cajun and other options here, but since I have recently gone vegetarian, I can't eat all those things. So I am only looking for Subways or Taco Bell or something which has veg food. So let's see if I can find it.
रुक तेरे को फोटो के लिए
And then there was an accident.
Oh fuck. So guys, we have found a nice Indian restaurant to have dinner at, and then instead of going to the hotel, we still haven't checked in yet. So instead of checking in there, we are going to Bourbon Street directly. It is super packed, guys. We can't even step a foot inside. So, like, super packed. So we finally got up on a balcony, and I can't post any more videos. So crazy shit happening downstairs. Hey guys, so we are finally back at our hotel. We checked in at what 2 a.m. instead of 4 p.m. But we had a lot of fun on Bourbon Street. So for all the guys, my tip would be to go to the parade, collect n number of beads as you can, and then try to go on a balcony on Bourbon Street, and then you will see magic happen. So, but I can't tell you more than that because YouTube will ban me, and that's why you will not see many videos of what happened when we were there. But it was super fun. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. Now we will sleep, and then we will figure out tomorrow. Bye. Hello guys, so good morning. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys. It's morning. It's afternoon. It's 12 a.m. and we slept peacefully because हम बहुत थक गए थे. And now we are going to grab some brunch, and then we will head to a casino. So let's go. लोग जगह ढूंढो है पार्किंग. सरक. ओए पीछे.
बालकनी वाला रूम मिल रहा था नेक्स्ट टू
So guys, now we have taken out cash from the ATMs because I like to play blackjack in casinos, and our strategy is going to be the same. I am going to start with $100, and if I win I will continue. If not, I will not play because it is a deep ditch where you keep on falling and falling. So there are 3 casinos, I think the main ones. The first one is Caesars, which is very nice and posh, but hence the minimums to play at the tables are very high. So we are not going to go to Caesars. There are 2 other options, Treasure Chest and Boomtown. But I think Treasure Chest is on a floating ship kind of thingy, like a cruise thingy. So we are going to go there. So guys, after losing a lot of money in the casino, we are back on near the Bourbon Street to see the parades, and then we will see how the night goes. Let's go. So guys, until we wait for our checkout line, which is super long, I will show you how we are tracking the parades and making sure we are at the right places at the right time. So there is this app called as Parade Tracker by WDSU, and it's just that the green dot right here is the parade, the blue dot is us, and then you can position yourself right at the corners, at the streets where the parades will go, and they will have the performances, and that's how you do. So make sure you download this app, Parade Tracker by WDSU, and you would be good. So guys, we just saw the parade and we ended up at the same restaurant we came to yesterday because we really like the food. So here we are trying out some new dishes. Since it's a very important event and a lot of people have gathered here, the National Guard is also deployed and they check everyone. So guys, we are now back at our hotel. We are going to sleep now because it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Some tips for you all who are visiting. As I said, download that Parade Tracker app. Number 2, there are pickpockets around. So keep your belongings safe. If you have wallets and your cameras, wear pants or jeans with chains, or keep all the stuff in your front pockets only. Carry small water bottles so that you can drink and be hydrated, and also carry small sling bags so that you can carry important stuff and your hands will still be free to catch stuff coming your way from the event. Apart from that, make sure you carry cash if you require it somewhere, wherever. So yeah, that's it. And like, share, subscribe guys. I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment and I will answer them for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.